I have this motion light above my garage doors, but the motion sensor does not always work correctly. I've had similar versions like this, but they usually start acting up after about a year. So it is time to replace this one. But what do I replace it with? I've looked at the ones that people put at front door, but they're usually not bright enough. Now I could just replace it with a standard floodlight receptacle, but that means that I would have to turn it on and off. And that's when I came across these floodlights that had a motion sensor built in. So I purchased a couple and tested them out in my back building. They work so well that every time my cat or dog walked through the building, the lights would come on and grab my attention. When the lights do turn on, they stay lit for about 30 seconds before slowly fading away. I really love that feature because it gives me just enough time to realize what's happening before I'm in the dark. So I tried these out for a few months, and they appear to work flawlessly. So I decided to install a standard receptacle over the garage and give these a chance. If you decide to install something like this, please make sure to turn off the power in your breaker box before installation. The best part about this setup is that if one of the lights start to act up, I can just buy a new bulb and have it replaced within seconds. So if you need to upgrade your motion sensor light, I would strongly suggest looking at these. I'll put a link in the description just in case you're interested. Thank you for watching.